Denim fabric is a timeless classic, but not all denim is created equal. We carry a range of 100% cotton denim fabrics that are great for a variety of applications. Whether you're upholstering, crafting, or sewing apparel, there's sure to be a denim that fits your project perfectly. Our 14-ounce wash denim is thick, rugged, and broken in for softness. It has the classic denim look and feel, but with a pre-washed finish that makes it easier to work with. This fabric is perfect for heavy-duty apparel, jeans, bags, and slipcovers. Twill denim offers that signature diagonal twill weave with a smooth, flexible finish. It's lighter and drapes easier than traditional denim, making it great for clothing like shirts, dresses, and lightweight jackets. Twill denim is a stylish option if you want denim with more flow. Topsider bull denim is strong, tightly woven, and made for a high level durability. At 11.5 ounces, it's heavy enough for upholstery or structured clothing, but still manageable on most home sewing machines. It has a great balance of toughness and versatility. Our 12-ounce softened denim has that lived-in feel from the very first cut. No pre-washing required. It's ideal for anything that touches the skin: apparel, quilts, or even home decor with a cozy finish. It delivers that signature denim style without too much stiffness. This 9-ounce bull denim is lighter than our other denim, but still packs a punch and durability. It's a popular pick for curtains, tablecloths, and upholstery that need structure without bulk. This denim is easier to cut and easier to sew. From rugged and raw to soft and flowy, find the perfect denim fabric for your next project here at Online Fabric Store.